Welcome students. This is the video of lesson number 1, the earth and the graticule, part 5th. In the earlier video, we have learnt about the earth's angular measurement and today we are going to learn the activity. So let's start. You have to refer the textbook page number 4. Do it yourself. First, we will read the instructions. Take an orange and peel off its skin. You will see the segments inside and thin vertical lines on them. Now this is the orange. As you know, we eat this fruit. This is the orange. If we take a protector and if we want to measure, we can hold it on one side as shown in figure. And we can see which angle is formed, which it starts, and see the segments inside and thin vertical lines on it. Okay. Now next, carefully take out one segment, observe the segment and the gap it has left in the orange. Now if you remove one piece of an orange from this part, the center part and the left and the right side of the angle is formed and that angle measurement is different. See if the shape of the central and terminal portion of the segment is the same or different. It is different. See if the angle of the gap is the same at all points. Now if we take the protector, we have to check the gap. How much will it be the angle, this gap? Find how many segments there are in an orange. Now you remove one piece, then this piece is removed. Then you will get an angle of this, and again this piece is removed, and then you have to take this full angle. One measurement of angle you have to take. Now observe the center and the terminal portion now. An orange spherical with a circular cross section. There are 360° in a circle. The earth being spherical, we consider 360° with respect to the earth as well. See, as you know, an orange is spherical with a circular cross section. There are 360 in a circle. The earth being spherical, we consider 360 with respect to the earth as well. Now we consider earth as 360°. See, in short, I will explain. Earlier also I told you that see this orange as full with the piece and round in shape. It is not hollow inside the orange. It's a thing that is circular in shape, and the circle is always 360°, and earth is also spherical in shape and we measure it as 360°. Hence earth being spherical, we consider 360 with respect to the earth as well. Okay. See now 90°. See now 92 North Pole and 92 South Pole. 90° plus 90° is equal to 180°. Now 180° is one side and 180° on other side. Total it became 360°. Okay student, understood? Now next. This is the angular distance part 2. In figure 1.8, angle ABC and angle DEF and angle GHI have the same measures 50°. It will be the same measurement if you will check the measurement, if it will be the same measure from 50°, because it is over here from the equator point. GHI 50°. Okay. However, the distance between A and C, D and F, G and I are different because this part if you measure will be different. This part if you measure will be different, and this part if you measure will be different because it is downside. are different when measured on the earth's surface. That is why, because the earth is spherical in shape and earth's measure is 360 degree, and so it is related to the earth's parallel.